Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cryptocurrency wallets with Coinbase, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy cryptocurrency wallets with Coinbase, start by creating an account on the Coinbase platform. Visit the Coinbase website or download the Coinbase app from your device's app store. Click on the Get Started button if you're on the website, or follow the prompt in the app. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your Coinbase account. Next, set up two-factor authentication for added security. You can choose to receive a code via SMS or use an authenticator app. Now, navigate to the Portfolio tab on the dashboard. Select Wallet from the options presented. Click on Create New Wallet to begin the process. Choose the specific cryptocurrency for which you want to create a wallet. Provide a name for your wallet to make it easier to identify. Take note of your wallet address, as this will be essential for receiving funds. To deposit cryptocurrency, select the option Receive and copy your wallet address. You can now use this address to receive cryptocurrency from other wallets. To send cryptocurrency, click on the Send option and input the recipient's wallet address. Enter the amount you wish to send, and review any transaction fees associated with the transfer. Confirm the transaction and enter any required authentication codes. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed. Keep an eye on your wallet balance to track incoming and outgoing transactions. For added security, consider storing significant amounts of cryptocurrency in a hardware wallet. Regularly check for updates from Coinbase to stay informed about security measures. Familiarize yourself with Coinbase Help Center for troubleshooting common issues. And there you have it, a complete guide to deploying cryptocurrency wallets with Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.